My hair loss affected me just by not feeling as confident when I was going out and meeting new people. I hated not feeling good or wanting to pose for the camera. Procedure was actually pretty easy. It wasn't anything crazy. I went to work that day. I watched movies on TV the whole time. It was about as painless as you can get. My life changed when I got my hair back. The investment was very much so worth it. I would specifically recommend Dr. Bolton to others. He's been great to work with, was really nice during the procedure, and all the staff here has been great. Thank you, Dr. Bolton.
My name is Ryan. I am a tooth transplant patient here at Dr. Bolton's. Came across Dr. Bolton, met with Josh, and felt like it's something that I needed to do. I can style it with gel when I put anything, conditioner or gel in, but now it's thick. My regular barber was out of town. I just told him, I said, be careful about going, too short. So he couldn't even tell. He was amazed to find out that I had actually had a hair transplant. When people started to see my hair come back, they actually, why did you ever shave your head? Why didn't you grow? You have such a nice thick head of hair. It's just amazing. I'm extremely happy with it. I love you, Dr. Bolton. I mean, the whole staff here, everybody. And I'm happy for it. I'm grateful for it.
He said, look, let me just go back there and grab as much hair as I can. And every hair that I grab, I'll put on the top of your head. It made a lot of sense to me. Well, you look great. You look great. They don't know what it is. Did you? They can't figure it out. But I know the difference. Oh my God, you really have hair. And people are really stunned. They can't believe it. Like, this really worked. You really have hair. Without hesitation, unequivocal, categorical, absolutely. Dr. Bolton's the only guy I would go to.
Looking at different sites, different doctors. I decided to choose Dr. Bolton. He do his procedure. Was the best choice for me. The doctor and the whole staff is very friendly. He was the doctor. I got that feeling from my heart that he was the doctor. No pain. We have a lot of fun. Went like this. Communication is not an issue. Any question, right away, email, phone calls. It was answered like this. And the results are truly amazing in one procedure. My expectations were met and beyond.
I really didn't inhibit me, but I'll be frank with you, I probably didn't like my picture being taken as often. Well, in my office, I realized I was the oldest guy there, and I was starting to look older and older and older. It was fine. It went much quicker and easier than I thought. I'm just amazed at how many people come up to me and say, you get a great head of hair. Frankly, I lied a couple of times. I said no, but then I went back and told them. Lied to you the first time. I got my hair transplant. And they were amazed. I'd recommend anybody who's losing their hair and is looking for a safe alternative. This is the only way to go. Thanks a lot, Doc.